Lightning Ridge's got all these car door tours and they're different colours. There's yellow, blue, green, red, and I can't remember the other one. Yellow, blue, green, red. Orange, I think it is. The orange one's the big one.
This morning we're going to do the yellow car door tour.
Yeah, and that includes the chambers of the Black Hand mine, so that's going to be interesting. I'm taking you down in a mine shaft.
Apparently it's very steep.
Oh, is it?
The lady next door said it's like 30. Yeah, it's deep. It's steep. Yeah, not looking forward to that one.
Okay.
Don't like confined spaces.
Let's go find our first yellow car door.
Yeah.
I know.
Let's go.
Oh, that's a nice wagon.
It is.
We should find our first yellow car door soon.
Another dirt road. No, it's not.
Looking out for the yellow doors.
So interesting just to see all the miners, I reckon.
So a phone call came through our filming, so here we go. We're at number 4 yellow door, and it's
one of our fans.
the Bird of Paradise Art Gallery. So we're going to pop in there and see if we can have a look. John's just spotted a padlock on the door.
I think it's locked.
Anyhow, we'll go and have a look. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? All local artists, the lady just said. Arts and crafts in here. I love this LED light. It's just gorgeous. This is gorgeous too, this house. That's one of mine, not from around here though. It's next door to my grandmother's house in Yakandanda. So where's Yakandanda? Yakandanda is northeast Victoria, just south of Albury-Wodonga. And that was next door to your grandma's house? Mm-hmm. It's so cute.
Okay. Is it?
Yes. It's nice, isn't it? So you have local artists come here and do work down the back? We have had workshops here in the past. Painting, LED light. Brenda did a LED light here. My late husband was a painter. He got interested in painting a long time ago, and he started painting, and then I followed a few years later when our youngest child went to school. 1968, it was a one-room classroom, so I've seen a lot of changes.
I was born in 1968.
So I was a new bride in '68 and got brought to Lightning Ridge. We for opal mining. Yeah, for opal mining. Yeah, my husband he didn't tell me we were going opal mining. He said we were going on a trip around Australia, but we stopped here, a new baby in a tent, and he found opal in the first week, and therefore we were stuck. So, oh wow! And with the first parcel of opal, we opened a shop, and beneath these floorboards is another level, which was our underground opal shop. Oh wow! Going really well it was for the first 3 years, and then we had a robbery and we lost the lot. Oh no! A group of blokes looking for opal, not having much luck, and they were in my shop the day before, asked me what things were worth. Casing the joint, really. Yeah. And, what year was this that this happened? 73. Wow.
Back then. Wow.
Yeah. And someone pointed out that we looked pretty well off, so we'd be a good target. And they did get caught. Eventually, they got caught red-handed taking the safe out of the drive-in. Oh. And in those days, they were able to extract a confession, and they'd done our place too. But by then it was all gone.
I was going to say you didn't get nothing back.
No. They got 3 months good behaviour bonds. Are you kidding me? And we lost about 30,000, and it wasn't all our stuff. It was on consignment.
Thank you, Mary, for letting us look around the gallery.
And stop.
Yeah, so am I now, because when the information centre said to us at each car door, just look. They didn't actually say stop. And I'm like, well, it's an art gallery, we'll stop.
Yeah, have a look, yeah.
So, yeah. Car door number 5. We're going to that Chamber of the Black Hand, I think it is.
Yeah.
I keep calling it Chamber of Secrets, like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter fair.
So, Chambers of the Black Hand, we have to take a mask and something about the porous stone or something. They said.
You can't breathe or something. Got the mask.
Got the mask and closed-in shoes. So, let's go have a look. Well, about 100 years ago, the same thing happened. The sign over there that's got the bird cage hanging on it, on the other side is black, and it's in the shape of a hand, and it is pointing to the Castlereagh Highway. So it was set up nearly 100 years ago. It was actually on our claim here at that stage. Our claim, it's not my claim, I just work here. And it was moved over there to be with all the other locators. And it was just so that when folks were driving around, if they got lost, they would be headed towards the highway. So it was just always then known as the Black Hand Mine.
Okay.
How steep the stairs are. Okay, thank you. So there's 84 stairs I've got to go down. So we've just done that the Chambers of the Black Hand tour. What did you reckon of that?
That was fantastic. Coming up the steps was a workout though. Oh my god.
84 steps.
Oh, that's a lot of steps.
So we filmed so much in there. We're going to do a separate episode just of Chamber of the Black Hands because yeah, there's too much. We'll continue this yellow car door tour down to the end and go back to the caravan and have some lunch, I reckon.
Yeah.
Okay, let's find. So we're up to where we're going, gate door 6. Let's go, John, up to number 6. Let's see if we can find it. It's I'm not sure how far down it is.
We'll find it. I don't think it's down that far.
The car getting a workout on the dirt roads this time.
So it's lived on as dirt roads. It's been gone
Lightning
away.
Ridge. It's beautiful. All right. Oh, that's number 8. No, that can't be. That's number 8.
So we've missed number 7.
We've gone the wrong way somehow. Hang on. So we're going up towards Lunatic Lookout apparently. Welcome to Lunatic Hill. Welcome to 3 Mile Opal's working mine. Views of the Lunatic Hills. So C is on the left is Old Chum's track. Can't see a track, can you?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
There's all old caravan there. A couple old
So
trucks.
there's that. Okay, so that's actually on here. Drive through regenerated opal fields. On the right is a graveyard of rusty treasures. So I suppose we can get out and have a look at that. Shame we can't actually walk through here. Okay. Lunatic Lookout. Oh, there's a lunatic. There's a lunatic. So this is an open cut mine. Why do they call it Lunatic Hill, I wonder? It's the largest open cut mine in New South Wales
and one of the richest sources of the precious black opal ever found. Okay, so Lunatic Hill, they say that the miners had to dig 3 times deeper than if they were on flat land to find opal, and most people didn't find opal here, but some did. So
some became very wealthy.
They were called lunatics because they were attempting to mine here, but there you go.
Yeah.
Now my battery's going to go flat. We've filmed so much.
Use my phone now.
Yeah. So we've finished the Yellow Door tour. Just on a little bit of a bumpy road here. Half the tour from number 7 to 11 is closed for some reason. So, yeah, we can't do it, John.
Nope. Nope.
So we're going to go back to the caravan for some lunch and head out on the Red Door tour after lunch.
Yeah, it's getting hot though. Time for the red car door tour.
First stop.
Another dirt road.
The first stop is the plaque. For information on the first settlement site, the hill is called Sims Hill Opal Field. It was the site of the first 1906 settlement, Wallengulla or Old Town. The first opal rush boomed here in 1905.
Train.
Old train here. So this house is built with stones and bottles. Check out all the bottles they've used as the wall.
That's pretty cool.
These cool.
The old brick pool ones. Look, just there, under there.
Oh, down below there.
Ring pool. What are they called?
Ring pool cans. That's funny. This is called the Ridge Castle. Another one made with bottles.
Yeah.
Oh look,
Thanks, Dane.
look. You can dress up as the king and queen. If you want.
Finally, a seat for me.
Can you open this door, I wonder? No.
Can't go there?
No. Oh, he's a handsome looking knight. Look at this tower, John, full of bottles up here.
Yeah, exactly.
We appreciate you donate into the wishing well to help maintain the castle, just like Queen Lizzie at Buckingham Palace dress up for a photo. Sir Roy and Prince Peter.
Bottle tower there.
Got a Tonka truck in there. Well, that just scared the shit out of me. Can anyone see those snakes? Well, there's a $5 note in there and they're ripped in half. It's a clock tower made of bottles. The Opal Bell Tower, the Beer clock, believed to be the tallest bell tower in the world, constructed with beer bottles. 5.25 metres tall, 833 bottles, constructed in September 2020. It's ready to burn the witch at the stake, it looks like here. So this is the type of door you see on your Red Door tour. Number 4 is the Ridge Castle. So as you drive along these dirt roads, you just come across a door. Off with his head.
Hurry up and get the cramp.
Here are the knight's quarters. Nice. Oh, looks like we're overlooking Lightning Ridge, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's find red door number 4. What is that going to take us to?
Let's get some KFC. It's drive-through right here in Lightning Ridge.
Oh, hang on a minute. It says no drive-through.
Oh,
Oh, look
well.
where we are. All right, number 7.
Sevion.
That was number 7 there. The KFC that's never open.
Oh, yeah. Looking forward to some KFC.
So, number 8. Continue past various camps to number 9. All right. He's got a tarp over his dig. Keep the sun off him. He's probably sick of everyone going past.
Well, he lives on the red door too. He can't do much about it.
So up here, we're going to go, it says slow down and turn right past the yellow rubbish bins and we'll get to Amigo's castle.
Oh, another old Millard.
There's kangaroos over here near this person's caravan. Can you see? Can you see them, John? No.
3 of them.
Way they go.
Oh, 4 of them.
Oh, we can't see them. Coming up to number 9. Oh, we're going. We're supposed to turn. We're supposed to turn after the bins. Go the correct way of the road, John.
Well, it's a bit rough
correct
rules
way,
here, isn't it?
correct way up these roads. Okay, so we're going to get to Amigo's castle. So I wonder if that's Amigo walking down there. Hello, Amigo.
Amigo.
Alright, so we've just pulled up at Amigo's castle. It's a private home, single-handedly built of ironstone, started in 1981. The scaffolding consisted of 44-gallon drums with planks, arranged one above the other. Let's see if we can get inside. So it's closed today, we can't get in there. It's a $15 entry fee for this one. No council permission building this thing. Shame we can't get inside today.
Everything's always closed.
Everything's always closed. Lucky we got a ute, John. Gonna be a gentleman and help me down. Oh, thank you, darling. That was it. That was the red door tour, John. What did it take us? 10 minutes?
None and dusted.
Didn't take long. Wasn't a great deal to see, but hey, it's quite quirky.
It is. It's just interesting seeing how people live up here.
Yeah. So, anyhow, now we're going to try to find the IGA. Actually, it looks quite big, this IGA, doesn't it?